Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Robert Roy here. Welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday. Today I want to talk about what Wilder's average true range is and how to use it in your own trading. And we're going to do so in 2 minutes. All right, so if we turn to the chart, you'll notice at the very top of the chart we have our candles, standard candlesticks. And at the very bottom, the center indicator says Wilder's average true range. Now there's two different true ranges. There's average true range, ATR, and Wilder's average true range. The regular average true range takes yesterday's high-low close, adds them up, divides them by 3. Okay? And what it does is it does that over the last X days. The standard setting on average true range or Wilder's average true range is 14. My settings are shifted to 13, and that's because I use them as a Fibonacci number. And what we're trying to accomplish here is get an understanding of how much that position moves every single day. The difference with Wilder's average true range is it takes into account the open as well, not just the high, low, and close. And what that does is if there's a gap, some will say, well, that is not good, Rob, because if it gaps up today, that gap is going to be taken into account with yesterday's high, low, and close, and it doesn't help any. Well, for me, it actually does. When I'm using things like pivot points, intraday trades, and I have to shift up to pivot point levels that I have created that are maybe different than what some other traders might look at, large gap pivot points, I want to have that understanding of that, and that's part of why I use Wilder's average true range. But if you didn't have it and you just had average true range because your charts don't offer it, that's okay. It still works. You can still use what you have. There's nothing wrong with it. I just happen to like the Wilder's a little bit better. But it shows me over the last 13 days, if we look at this chart, and this chart is on XPXL, and if you look at the bottom right-hand corner, it shows it moves $2.50 per day for the last 13 days. And it averages out and plots a point on a chart. Now, if you go back into a month and a half ago, you were moving at $3.80 a day versus $2.50 a day. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader, and I will see all of you at our next update. Take care, and I'll see you then. Bye. Folks, thanks for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed the training. If you did, please be sure to go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and go ahead and click the subscribe button to follow along with all of our great content. And be sure to ring the bell and keep up with our latest training videos. And click down below to see some of our greatest trading videos that we've got available just for you.